Hey there, it's Alistair again from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In this video we're just going to look at a couple of store examples and have a look at some of the ideas that people have come up with to create their own successful stores. What you can do is follow the link that I'm going to provide and it'll bring you to this page where you can come and get inspiration for your own business. So let's quickly have a look at some of these stores. We're going to look at first the featured category. Now, as you can see, you've got quite a few stores here. That is their front page where you can go in and have a look around. So we've got a baby store where they provide everything for kids. There's a bookcase or book cover store. These are tattoos that you can stick on, wines, stuff for your home, cases, wooden cases. That's very nice, or actually from bamboo, not wood. Stickers and art. Back to here. Let's quickly have a look at the categories that you can go into. You can go into home and decor, have a look at some of these sites. Crafts and books. As I said, you can sell digital products online, so that is where a site with books comes in. Fashion websites. We really had a look at the greats. Have a look at accessories for your home. Food and drink. We've really had a look at one wine related site. Here's a coffee related website. One for water. We've had a look at the cases. You've got headphones, quad locks for your bikes, etc. So artwork, and merchandise. If you have a link to somebody who provides merchandise, you can then upload all your products and push them through your Shopify store. Obviously the best way is to make your own stuff and sell it. One of the best ways to do this is through print on demand. For that we normally use Shopify and link it up to Printful. If you'd like to know more about doing print on demand, stick around. There will be a couple of upcoming videos where I will do nothing but cover shop in demand. So that's it. I'm going to leave a link to this page where you can come in and have a look at some of these sites and get inspiration for your own Shopify store and take it from there. If you like this kind of content, yes, I've kept it short and sweet. I don't like to overload you with more and more information. I'm going to give you as little as possible, but give you some ideas to go and play around with, and then go and do your own research so that you can make up your own mind about what you want. If you like our content, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell for notifications when I create new content. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.